Today I'm gonna talk about 5 apps that they'll help you as a beginner YouTuber to make your videos successfully. It's not magic, it's more organic ways to raise your views and subscribers. But these applications, it's a must-have tools so that you can edit your video, manage your video, make your thumbnails, and the other one is to boost, to make sure you are putting the right titles, and then the other one is for sharing. So let's start about recording. My number one app for video editing is Xrecord. This one right here, it's a free app, but it got a what you call it, a pro mode. So this one is an ordinary mode, but it got everything fully packed. The video limit, it's unlimited. You can have as long as you want video. You can have a video of 1 hour. With this app, it will edit it all. It got all the tools you need to edit here. As you see, filters, you can crop the video, ratio, speed, volume. You can also add music, text, you can name it. And then if you want to remove that watermark, you can remove it for free just by watching an ad, or join X Recorder Pro and then you buy it. It's very cheap, which is what I'm considering to do, at least 69 rand per month or 299 per year. It's on promotion, 65. That's a good deal right there. So this is it for video editing, X Recorder. And then our second app is gonna be YouTube Studio. You can't be a YouTuber without this application. This application is where you monetize most things, the way you check your progress to be monetized if you want to be monetized. This is like your office. This is your office as a YouTuber. That's where you sit back, edit things. You see, as you see, I'm working organic. I still got a video that says 4 months ago it's 68 views. Anyway, that doesn't matter. What matters is the consistent of uploading your videos. So as you see, more videos you have, more views you get. So this one is the number 2. You must have YouTube Studio to succeed with YouTube videos or to become a YouTuber. And then the third application is gonna be vidIQ. This one, vidIQ, it's also a free application, and it also got a grow like a pro option. If you want to buy, you can buy it, but it got its own free option that is amazing. Every day when you open it, you get 3 prediction. It goes to YouTube and check the most viewed videos about your channel. It scans your channel, what it's all about, and then it gives you view prediction. That's why it's important when you're doing YouTube videos, you stay to one category. If you're about traveling, stay about traveling. Don't mix up things. Otherwise, applications like these, they scan the brain of your content and then they give you exactly what you need. So this is vidIQ. What it does most, let's say I got this video, it got 1 views. Let's check that one. First, it give you the get title recommendation. It give you 3 credits every month, so it will give you the high recommendation of titles than what you may be put in as a title. You see that one, Premium S51 FRP bypass, that was me, but it suggests that I use how to bypass FRP on Premium S51. Unbelievable trick. And then if I want to use it, I'll use it. See, automatically it has changed, and then I publish. So next time when I check, I may have more views. Okay, it want me to verify there. I'll leave that for now. And then the other one, keywords for description is very important. So on the title it says how to bypass FRP in Premiere S51. Then there's the suggestions, and then it will show me keywords. So you see the volume there, the keywords, they stage them according to the volume on the search. So this one on the top, it says 59, so I will have to add that one to my title, and then I publish. Once I publish that, let's cancel that. Once I publish that, it will be showing the suggestion on these three boxes. So I'll be just selecting, no need to type keywords now, because I have already a certain topic on the tags. Now they will suggest more tags. Once I'm done with tags, I can come into description. There's also a suggestion under description. So all I do is to select and publish, you see. And then that's it on this one. The third app that you will definitely need when you're doing these type of videos, when you're doing YouTube, is it the third or the, yeah, it's the fourth one actually. It's Adobe Express. You need an amazing thumbnails. As you see here, I have thumbnails and other videos. I got no thumbnails. Like this one, I decided to leave them like that. Some thumbnails, they are nice, some they are not really nice. But what I use is Adobe Express. I use Adobe Express for all my thumbnails. This is one of the best video editing software, free video editing software. Even though it's got option to upgrade it to pro, which you can pay or buy per month. As you see, they says Go Premium with 14 days free trial upgrade. There you get unlimited things, but I'm happy with this vision here that I have. As you can see, the quality things that this software does, they really amaze me. They really amaze me. I want to choose fonts there. Let's play with it a little bit. Let's go to edit, font. You see, this application is something else. It's something else, believe me. I go to edit, it's fine there. There's something that I'm looking for, capacity effects. Yeah, you see, adjust, Elegant, we can change. You see all this, it comes with this application and it's for free. On top of that, it's for free. If you're wondering how to make words like this, today you got it. This is Adobe Express, and it's easy to save. You just paste and then you choose if you want transparent to download that later to come out transparent. Save. That's it. And then the last one, after you have all those, this last one is just optional. Like if you want to get to attract more views, more people from other websites outside YouTube. You can have Miwi. Miwi is something like, for example, a Telegram or Facebook, something like that. Here you can come here, create pages or groups. Like me, I have my own page here. I have my own groups, that site where I come and share my link so people they can do us go and view my YouTube videos. So it also helps me. I get some few views from Miwi. So also you too, as a YouTuber, you also need platform like this where you go out and try to bring people to your YouTube, because this one is also free. You don't need to pay anything. And they won't pay you anything for posting your things. We don't know, maybe in the future they will, like Facebook, but for now we can use this platform to bring people to our YouTube channel. So Miwi, it's a simple application. You just need to sign up, put your number, it's done. So that's it, guys. 4 application that you need as a YouTuber, especially if you are a beginner. Number 1, X Recorder. Number 2, YouTube Studio. They are free. Number 3, vidIQ. Number 4, Adobe Express for thumbnails, because these are all thumbnails designs. Any design that I want to do, these are it's more actually you can do with this one. My network is very slow. You can do flyers, Instagram posts, Instagram stories, logos, YouTube thumbnails, catalogs, Facebook cards, invitation, business cards, a lot, even videos. I believe I have a video somewhere that I did. You can do videos with that one. And then last but not least, Miwi. Thank you for watching. This is the list of 5 applications, and please